In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Semrush Support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your question in front of the right team quickly and clearly. Start on your Semrush homepage while you're signed in. Make sure you're on the main dashboard where you normally see your projects, tools, or recent activity. Look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a small question mark icon. This is the Help widget that opens the support options. Go ahead and click that icon to bring up the Help panel. When the panel opens, you may see suggested articles or quick links that try to answer common questions. These can be helpful if you want a fast self-serve fix, but if you need a person, look for the option labeled Contact Support and select it. This directs you past the general help content and into the channel that connects you with the Semrush team. From there, choose Send us a message. This opens their support form or chat interface depending on availability. You'll be able to write a short description of what's going on and share any details that help the team understand your situation. Keep your message clear and specific. Mention which tool or report you're using, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. If there was an error message, include the exact wording. Screenshots are great for context, so attach them if you can. Just remember not to include any sensitive information like passwords or private keys. If you're troubleshooting something that happened at a certain time, add the approximate date and time, along with the browser you're using and whether you tried another browser or device. Little details like these can speed up diagnosis and reduce back and forth. After you send your message, you should see a confirmation in the widget, and you'll typically receive an email confirming your ticket as well. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder so you don't miss the reply. If the chat remains open, you can stay on the page to continue the conversation. Otherwise, you can close the widget and return later. Your message history will be tied to your account. If you don't immediately see the help widget, try refreshing the page or disabling aggressive browser extensions temporarily. Then look again in the bottom right corner, and whenever possible, reproduce the issue right before contacting support so your notes are fresh. That's it. Open the help widget, choose Contact Support, and click Send us a message. You're now set to reach Semrush Support with a clear, effective request.